One sunny morning, Tarzen was swinging on the trees when he heard a loud roar. Roar! It was a big lion chasing a poor deer. The deer was scared, but very clever. Instead of running straight, he tricked the lion by running in circles, hiding behind bushes, and even splashing mud on the lion's face. Finally, the deer ran toward a river where an old crocodile was sleeping. The clever deer jumped carefully on stones to cross the river. The lion followed, but splash! He fell right into the water near the crocodile. The crocodile opened its mouth wide, and the lion screamed, "Help!" Tarzen quickly pulled the deer to safety, and the lion ran away, dripping wet. The jungle echoed with laughter, and everyone cheered for the brave little deer. Moral: smartness always wins over strength.